Yeah, this week US30 technical analysis. So yeah, we expect last week it will give some correction and will reach the top and will come down, but it's still correcting. We can clear all this thing. Can clear it, this one. Okay, still it will give some small, some more down here, some more down a little bit. It will give, it will go up one more time. Okay, it will go 55k, almost 55k here. So suppose if I take Fibonacci from here to top, it will reach around 50 or 618. But after correcting here, then it will go 55k. Once 55k reach, then close your buy setup. Maybe you can close 80% or 70%. You can keep it the stop loss to the break even. Okay, your daily buy setup is better for US30 this week. Thank you.